Now let's take a look at graphing systems of inequalities. So just like we did with linear inequalities, we're going to have two or more quadratic inequalities, graph those and see where the overlapping shaded region is. So number 8, I'm going to plot into Desmos, and then we will identify a couple of solutions. So we want to graph the system of quadratic inequalities, and then we're just going to pick 2 points that fall in the overlapping shaded region. So here we are. I've graphed my inequalities in Desmos, and notice that my first inequality here, y is less than, so it is a dashed line, and we have shaded below the vertex, which is inside the parabola. The second one is a greater than or equal to, and so that's a solid line, the blue, and we are shading above the vertex. So just to be clear, this one got shaded below and this one got shaded above. And so now we just want to pick a couple of points that are in this overlapping shaded region right in here. All right, so let's go ahead and choose some points. I chose the origin as a point, and I also chose -1, -2 as a point. Let's go ahead and report those as answers on our notes. Back over here on the notes, I'm going to say that 0, 0 was a solution, and -1, -2 was a solution. Let's go ahead and do the same thing for number 9. So I'm going to put these into Desmos and then see 2 solutions of the overlapping shaded region. Here we are in Desmos, and this time I have a less than for my first one. So my less than gives me a shaded region that's going down below. And then for my second one, I have a greater than, so that's giving me the shaded region going up. We can see that there are these 2 little skinny purple areas, and that's where our graphs overlap. So I'm going to choose a couple of points in those overlapping areas. The first point that I'm choosing is 2, 6. It's right here. And because everything's at the origin, I can also choose 2, -6. Those would both be points that are in the shaded region. Let's go ahead and put those as solutions. All right, here in our notes, I'm just going to transfer those points. I had 2, -6, and I had -2, -6.